Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to give seller review on Facebook Marketplace. So first, you have to open your Facebook and then you have to locate Marketplace right here. On the Marketplace, you have to choose a buy or seller buying or selling. But unfortunately, in this account, I didn't purchase any, so I have to open my other account where I purchased a piano and a sunglasses. So I'm going to open Facebook here, tap on Facebook. And then same thing, you have to locate a marketplace. And then this time you have to tap on the profile. On your profile, you will see here save items as well as reviews to write. So I purchased three items that I need to or I want to give feedback, or let's just say I want to give seller review on. Basically, if I tap on review, I can only give or I can only rate this seller or this product right here, and then I can tap on submit. So if I'm going to give seller review on Facebook Marketplace, I can only give the stars, rate, and also I can include specifically if it's item or the seller itself and so on. Right now, I cannot add a more information or can add a more words here and reviews, but I can only give ratings and be specific with what went well and then tap on submit. And that's how easy it is. You can look for another item again here and then you can rate again. So this is how easy it is to give seller review on Facebook Marketplace. You can do this on your desktop and you can also do this on your mobile. Actually, in some other marketplace, you can choose stars, you can add a comment and then submit, or you can click leave feedback or rate seller. It depends. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.